Hello from AlphaCars in Ural of New England in Boxborough, Massachusetts. Here we have Ural M70 Retro. This is the bike that done a lot of buzz online, on the eBay, on our website, on the Facebook. We're just showing now this bike with the optional ceramic coated exhaust system with a short pea-shooter style mufflers. It's got a nice throaty sound. It's not loud, but the tone is loud. I'm not sure if you have a feel for the sound through your speakers and through our recording equipment, but it's got a very nice loud as far as tone goes sound. Ceramic coated header pipes, extension pipes, and FMF mufflers. Very solid and reliable configuration. We've sold many of these for our low mount, high mount, 2x2, 2x1 exhaust systems for regular Ural. Now we have it available for the retro configuration. We are also going to have a vintage looking mufflers pretty soon as well.